It is party time. Can't believe the time. It's really out of focus. Oh, here we go, Greg. Oh, it is party time. Little party time. It's just Saturday night. It's day 39 of the party. And there's Alaska. Oh, it is party time. Party time, oh yeah, it's party time. We're both wearing our dressing gowns. It's party time. Wow, what a bunch of Gregs. Basca. So kissing. Greg's. Get your dressing gowns on, Greg's. Why are you drilling in the attic? Wow.
Wow, what? They say always cut towards yourself, never away.
Nice yellow felt. I mean, fleece. It's nice. Feels good.
Feels good, fleece?
Feels good.
Just sleep in these nice blankets.
Soft. I think it's the same one we got for biscuit. Lots of white felts.
Oh, treat for me.
A nice towel for Bunny.
Treat for me.
Oh yeah. I was like, what's that?
Lots of glue sticks.
Glue sticks. Spheres.
Foam spheres.
Your wax kit for making.
Oh wow, why is it open?
Hard to say. Too full.
That's good. Too many good
Too
things.
many good things in there.
I forgot about that one.
It's for you and little. Oh no. That's not what I ordered.
What did you order?
These are so small.
Well, I can walk up to Linecraft for you sometime, baby.
This more tontine.
Floam. Crafter's Choice circles. You could use those today
I could.
for your digital painting.
Wow, that's real stiff.
What's this?
Good for mouth plate.
Oh, yeah. Huh. Stiffened felt. I feel like I'm going to break it though. I can go get you some more eyes, Greg.
Nothing left.
Nothing left, Greg.
For breakfast.
Breakfast. Do.
Wow. Wow. Excuse me, I want to have breakfast. Excuse me. I'm sweaty.